Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up IPTV SmartEarth Pro on LG TV. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to click on Apps and then click on App Search. After that, search for IPTV Smartwatch Pro, click on it and click Install. It will then start downloading and installing. After it finishes installation, search for IPTV Smartphones Pro, click on it and then click on TV, then select Save. Now we need to scroll down, click on Accept and then choose Extreme Codes. Now you'll need to enter the details you got from IPTV.com. By the way, it's the same for your Samsung TV or LG TV. You just need to go to your store on LG or Samsung and search for it. Then download it and install. If you don't seem to find it, that means that your TV doesn't support IPTV Smart and the best choice you have is to buy an Android device. So that's basically how you can set up IPTV SmartEarth Pro on LG TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.